Well, I basically kick people's asses for a living. I like to say that anyways. And I work with vegans. So I've been vegan myself for almost 17 years now, and which is more than half my life. Pretty cool. And so I kind of made the decision halfway through my training career to focus on working with vegans. So I started as a fitness coach, working with people in gyms, like as a trainer, and was kind of thinking about getting into the online world, but knew that in order to do well online, you need to have a niche. It needs to be not just like, oh, I'm a random personal trainer who works with anyone, right? So I thought it would make sense to take what I'm passionate about, which is being vegan, and put it out into the world that I am a vegan fitness coach. I'll help you with your nutrition from a plant-based perspective. And that's kind of where it all started ballooning, because people are not just sitting there searching for personal trainers, although some people are. People are looking for specific things. And vegan fitness coaching and vegan nutrition coaching, that's some of the specific things people are looking for. So yeah, it just kind of started from there. I was working with people, I am working with people all over the world, which is really cool because they're all vegan or they're all needing help with the transition to go vegan. So right now I'm working with people in Dubai and Thailand and Romania, like everywhere, which is awesome. And it's really cool to see the vegan movement basically all over the world. So yeah, I mean, it's basically merging the vegan side of things. And I started as an ethical vegan, but as many ethical vegans, it's kind of expanded since then into the environmental reasons and sustainability, health reasons, all that other kind of stuff. So I'm combining that with the obsession with fitness, which has also been a long-term thing. And that's kind of where I'm at now. So I don't work with people in person anymore, it's totally online. But it means that location is not an issue for my clients, which works super well.